As HubSpot continues to lean into making it easy for your team to work in one platform from first touch to first payment, one thing that's important is being able to conditionally rotate meetings, right? This is a place historically where HubSpot lost out to tools like Chili Piper where we can now accommodate, right? So what we can do now is we have a form. Let's say this is our first form to request a demo, right? Or to talk to a rep. Now what we can do is when someone fills out the form, we can take them to a scheduling page based on the values of the fields in the form. So what we're going to go back and do right now is let's add some more interesting fields, right? Let's add a field like job title. I can't see what I'm typing here. All right, let's add job title here, right? And also let's add the company size. Okay, all right. So now we have a little bit more exciting options to work with, right? So now we can say if job title contains executive, redirect to Mandy, okay? And then we can add another condition on that, right? We could say that it is also, we can have another option for this, right? So we could say if it does not contain any of executive, right? Then we could say if it's not an executive, then let's go ahead and send them to this link, right? So we can go ahead and do this. And then we can say, all right, great. So then we can add a field that says if company size is known, let's go ahead and, is known, then we can also redirect to another scheduling page, right? So then we can add another condition to that. So we can determine to conditionally redirect or redirect everyone to the same scheduling page, right? So this allows us to different industries, different company sizes, different products that people are interested in. We can actually send them to different scheduling pages, decide what lifecycle stage we're going to set them as, associate this with campaigns, all of the fun stuff we can traditionally do with forms. Just got supercharged by the ability to rotate meetings. So really awesome addition to the sales functionality and overall meeting routing functionality for HubSpot.